Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna to show you how to disable and turn off hardware graphics acceleration in MS Word document. So to disable hardware graphics acceleration, click on File. So firstly you need to click on File, then you need to click on More, then you need to click on Options. So File, More and Options. You will see this dialog box. In here you need to click on Advanced. Move cursor to down. Here you will see the option Disable Hardware Graphics Acceleration. So check this box, then OK. So very super and easy method to turn off and to stop hardware graphics acceleration. Just check this box, then OK. That's it. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching.